What's up, guys, and welcome to this video. It is freaking downpouring. It's been downpouring like all weekend, it feels like, so I haven't been able to shoot much, but I was able to go out and get a couple rollers, and that's what you guys are going to see in this video. Just having some fun with some friends. And yeah, I'm at my house right now. I'm not turning the lights on because I'm too lazy to get up, but I'm sure you guys can see me just fine. So enjoy this video, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below of what you guys think of the rollers. Alright guys, we're here with my Volkswagen friends, and I can't park with them.
With our dirty cars.
Yeah.
Our dirty broken cars.
They're all broken. I mean, look how dirty Josh's wheels are.
Hey, mine's actually not broken for once.
Let's get a, yeah, dirty. Oh wait, hold on. Let me get this spot back.
Up one.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's bad. That's real bad.
Look at that exhaust hang.
Yeah, what's this?
Yeah.
Listen to it.
Chill. You might knock it off.
It'll be alright. Dark and you can't see me, but I just want to say I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.